Herbert Peabody and the slow cooker Crumble. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. It's a cosy winter's day. And we have our slow cooker. Let's get a slow cooker crumble on its way. We start with oats for crumbly crunch and pour them into a bowl. We measure out the almond meal and we are on a roll. Now we add desiccated coconut and pepitas and sunflower seeds. A good sprinkle of cinnamon. Now a good mix is what our recipe needs. We are ready for the slow cooker. We spoon in apricots like that. Then we spoon in peaches and arrange them nice and flat. We sprinkle over our topping and prepare to melt butter or oil. We pour it over the top. Now it's time to set the dial. We pop on the lid. Our slow cook crumble is looking great. We set a timer for 3 hours and enjoy a teapot tea while we wait. The alarm tells us our cooking is done. Let's serve up for you and me. And something to enjoy with our slow cooker crumble, another cup of teapot tea. Slow cooking is super fun, and we want to say we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.